I'm going to show you how you can download and install Photoshop brushes both straight from your iPad, as well as how to import all your favorite brushes you already have. All resources featured here today can be found over on Envato Elements, where you get unlimited downloads of graphics, photos, and fonts with simple commercial licensing. So first, let's download a brush directly onto our iPad. I'll be downloading these shader brushes. Once the download is initiated, a download prompt will appear. I'm using Safari, so your prompt may look different, but we just want to confirm the download. In Files, locate the downloaded brushes. It's likely to appear in either Recents, on my iPad, especially if you use Google Chrome, or in Downloads. If the file is a .zip, just tap to extract. Next, let's open up the Photoshop app and double tap on the brush tool to open up the brush tips. Tap the icon of the 3 circles and choose Manage Brushes. Choose the 3 circles again and tap Import from Files. The Files app will open wherever you last left off, so you can always tap the upper left back arrow to navigate back to Browse and then locate the brushes if you need to. What you want to select is the .abr file. Mine is in Downloads, then the Memento Shader Brushes folder, and there we have Memento Shader Brushes.abr. Once selected, they will load in at the bottom of the brush stack. You can turn a brush set or individual brush on and off using the right toggle. So if your brushes aren't appearing in the brush tip panel, double check and make sure they are indeed switched on. Tap Done once you have your brushes installed. Now open up your brush tips, navigate to your new brush set, select a brush, and paint. Now if you have a bunch of brushes already installed on your computer and want to bring them over to your iPad, all you'll need is a file sharing app of your choice. A Google Drive, iCloud Drive, and Dropbox are all great picks, with my preferred being Dropbox. Drag and drop your .abr brush files into your file sharing program located on your computer that is also synced with your iPad. Just like before, go to Manage Brushes, Import from Files, and locate your brushes. I have both Dropbox and iCloud Drive. I used Dropbox this time around, so that's where mine will be located. Tap to install, and then paint. And that is all there is to installing brushes onto the Photoshop iOS app. But if that wasn't enough and you're looking to learn even more tricks, why not check out some of the other excellent videos that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. If you liked this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy designing! See you next time.